It's our third day here in Da Nang, Vietnam, and now we're here at the Cho Han, the Mart? It's the Cho Han Mart, and ito ay naghihintay kami sa food. There's a restaurant, the Michelin awardee. Oh, bibidyo tayo ni Pastor. And we're here in where? Cho Han Mart. Yeah, look at the view here. Ayun yung Ako, nakapila kami dito. May Michelin pala to, awardee. Kaya it's a must to go. Okay? We'll show you the food that we'll be eating later. Yes, finally, we're seated na. Nako, chow na. Bon appetit. Look at the food that we ordered. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Sobrang sarap and very healthy. Look at this, the kids will be enjoying much here, ha? Puro mga rides. Siyempre, ako rin kids, di ba? So, let's enjoy. Yeah, look at the sunlight. Yeah. And weather is getting better. So we're now inside the Asia Park in Da Nang. So ito siya, oh. Mukhang laki ng na park. Ito, mga Asia Park is a big park na featuring other Asian countries. Later papakita namin sa inyo when we get inside. Walking muna. Okay, ito na. Na-struck na kami dito sa sa roller coaster, narinig namin ang sigaw. Naku, this is a scary naman to ride. Naku, sasakay yata yung mga bata. Yun, nagpila na. Oh my God. Naku, ito na nga. Sumakay na naman. Yun, ito mag-asawa, si Dex and Ren. Naku, careful. Naku, ito na. Ay, ingat. Naku. Walang walang takot sila, oh. Go.
Ito.
Ito sila, wave. Hi, Dex! Hi, Ren! Naku, sayaw pa, oh. Naku, walang takot nga talaga itong dalawa na to. Ay, ingat! Uy, si Dex. Hello, Dex.
Ayun. Nakakiyam pa, oh.
Eto na, choo train. Eto mga bata, na-solo nila, oh. Talagang walang pila, hindi crowded ngayon kasi ordinary day. Ayun, itong dalawang chikiting. Our pretty, pretty Fuji. And yan. Hello, choo-choo. Choo-choo. Hi. Naku, napagbigyan sila. Another ikot na naman. Naku, sulit na sulit ito, ha. Itong dalawang chikiting. Enjoy na enjoy. Ito talaga, ano. Ito walang katakot-takot ito. Kasi kailangan ito. Hello! Hello po, G! Yan, yan. Pretty. Oh, stop na. So, another, fun ride na naman. Naku, ito. Paborito ko to. Naku, tinan nyo. Talagang solo na naman namin. Yun ang napakaganda dito sa park. Walang pila, lahat na sasakyan. Lah, enjoy. Naku, tinan nyo yung mga horsey. Ba't yun sa akin di tumataas? Ang bigat ko yata. Kaming dalawa ni Kevin. Naku, ito yung another ride. Naku, ito, enjoy sila. Bump car. Uy, careful lang. Baka mauntog kayo. Oh, this is another ride. Ako, parang little merry-go-round. It's a spinning ride. Ay nako, mahihilo itong mga bata. Huwag namang masyadong mabilis. Ako, itong batang ito, nako. O Ren, nako, eto pa. Sumakay ka pa. Nako, itong si Kevin, oh. Huwag namang masyadong mabilis, Kevin. Mahihilo sila, no. Put a stop. Mahihilo sila, oh my God. Stop.
Oh, pigi.
Ayan si Kevin. Ayan, nako. Talaga inikot ka na inikot. Nako, talaga mahihilo ka dyan. Ayan na. Tulong ka nila. Nako. Wow, ito. Nako, napilit nila ako. Sasakay pala dito sa ride na to. Sabi nila parang caterpillar lang. Mababaw yung loop. Pero nako, napasubo ako dito. Pabilis pala dito. Nako, guys. Tingnan, kung marinig nyo lang yung shout ko. Nako, nakapikit ako all over the ride. Oh my gulay. Ay nako, buti hindi ako nahilo dito. Pero guys, sarap naman. Oh, look at this. Oh, we're moving to another theme. Asia Theme Park. Saan ito? Dragon, no? Oh, just like in Singapore. Oh, tingnan nyo yung surroundings, oh. So, ito yung theme niya. Oh, diba? So, look guys, oh. Look at the surroundings, oh. Yung hindi, crowded. Naku, later, sasakyan namin yung Ferris wheel na yun, taas. One of the tallest daw. Oh, ito, enjoy kami, oh. Walang tao, eh. Oh, ang galing, oh. Oh, yun, ito na naman. Ito, nasa naman kami? China.
Oh, Beijing.
Tama pa, Dad? Oh, yun, oh. Parang nasa Tiananmen Square ka. Sa Beijing, so... At least merong part ng Asia Park nga ito eh. Kaya iba-ibang countries. Naku, ayan na. Later, yan ha. Yung Sun World. Nasasakyan namin Ferris wheel. Yan ha. Naku, ito mga bata. Naghihintay ng rides dito. Oh. Dali lang, tinang ko. So, ito na sila nakasakay. Wow! Ang cute naman ang pinili nila, oh. Colorful. I mean, talagang well-lighted. Kasi pag gabi na, oh. Nakasindi talaga yung naku. So, naman, so bright. Ayan yan, oh. Drive sila, oh. Narunong na si Fujin Drive, ah. Ito na, oh. Ito, oh. At least ito yung one of the attractions sa mga bata, oh. Oh, diba? Ang luwang eh. Ang luwang ng ng playground nila eh. Kaya at least they can drive all through and through, oh. Mahaba ito. Enjoy. So, look at the background, no? Tingnan nyo naman ang mga buildings, eh. Mga famous buildings na tinayo nila ng Asia Park na to, oh. Representing iba-ibang countries. We're enjoying the night. Yes.
Pasi.
Yeah. Look at this. So huge. Giant. Numbers 2024. We're here at Park. Look at us, oh. Parang bata rin kami, oh. We will ride it in the sun wheel. Yay! What? Yeah, no, this one. Okay. Okay, right. Enjoy. Yeah, bye-bye. Hawak. Hawak. Hi! We're on the top of the world looking down on creation. Oh, nandito kami sa Sa Ferris wheel, malaking Ferris wheel to. Tawag dito Sandville sa
Asia Park.
Asia Park sa Vietnam. At least yung maghapon namin, it's worth it. Ang ganda ng panahon. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for the love. Thank you po. Okay, just enjoy. O, dapat kita mo na yung ano. Ayan o, taas nito.
Ang gaya ka mag-rides, pwede ka mag-date itong maglakad-lakad mo.
Ano, ma-press ko sa ila, di ba?
Sabi niya, ay kapoy ng dragon, noon tabat, doon may kalwala. Aray man lang magkita,
So, happy na mo.
Tapos yung dananan
Dali, pero nung kalupa ni Matao, ni kalupa Japan, mga niyan. Okay yan. Ano yung kasi Matao.
Pero lawin mo danang, wala nang masyado sa gina ng traffic pa yun. Danang yung po yan. O actually nga ngayon.
Wala.
Po, takay pa mo. Po, tatingin mag-message sa kitang tayo.
Pero
Telegram.
bago mo, alam ba na?
Telegram, diba? Due to traffic condition, nada tayo nabisang pa yun.
Ita ng pinakamap.
Ayan, itama top.
Top.
Ayan, itama na. We're on the top of the world looking down on creation. We're still in the very, very big park here in Danang, Asia Park. So look kung naka 20,000 na naka steps. Oh, so big. Now look at this, oh. Paano na kami, oh. Pa-exit na, pero dami pang rides. So it's really a big park with lot of rides, attractions and games. So it's a great day for all of us. Sarap. So ito, oh. Meron pang merong pang exhibition pang galing. Very skilled dito. Tingnan mo. It's a piece of cloth pero nagagawa niya ng wave niya with the designs. Parang ribbon. Wow, look at him. This is so nice. Another attraction here in the park. We're here at the night market.
Oo. Oy, bata. Oo.
Ito na. Pili na kami ng food to eat. Ano kaya? Ano yung what to eat? Where to eat? Ano yung choice namin? Ako. Dami. Ang dami talagang matitempt kang kainin lahat. Ito na. Pili na kami. Yummy, yummy.
Eh, ini ano 40,000.
Oh, yeah. Pwede po.
This one 40.
This one is good. Ito.
Tìm đường ra đường đi thì tìm vào đâu bạn muốn mà chỉ.
Look at lobster. Lobster, so, ito na. We're all seated na. Ito na. Luto na. Ratsyada na. Kainan na. Nako, iba-ibang to. Ito yung seafood clams, oh. Wow. The rice, oh. Nasa wooden, siya, yung rice. Ito na. Nako, yun ang veggie dito. Sarap. Ay, nako, everything that you can eat.
Lang pala to eh.
Ito, napili namin lahat. Masarap. Ay, kakakain natin.
Isa lang. Isa lang. Ma'am.
Hi! We're eating here.
Oh, sorry.
Dami dito kami sa market, night market. Ito yung oyster dado, pakita mo. Oyster, yeah, here. Here, yummy. Yummy oyster. Shopping for chop. Oh. That's right. Wow, yummy lobster.
Oyster. Okay.
Oyster, then the bamboo. So, dessert na tayo. Ito. Order na tayo ng ice cream. Ito, this is how they made it. Look. What's that? Oreo? Ah. Oh. Problema ka dyan.
Kaya tayo yan.
Look at this. Very skilled. Ice cream na making. Then one Oreo. Yummy, done with our dessert. Ito na. We're moving to Dragon Bridge. Ito na. This is one of the best attraction in Danang. Ako later makikita niyo kung paano mag-perform si Dragon dito. Ito na yung show. Ako, ito na. The Dragon, spits fire. And then later, the water naman. Ako. So, ito yun, napakainit yata nito. So, ito yung Dragon Bridge is a long bridge with 666 meters daw ang haba. So, you can walk through the bridge pero mahaba. So, look at this. This Friday show. Friday weekend lang yata itong show ni Dragon. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Ito. Kaya, daming tao. Very crowded. Because it's the famous attraction here in Danang. Look at Dragon. Nag-ano pa siya. Emit pa ng fire. Ito yun. Ito yung napakagandang gabi. Ito, just watch. So, we're waiting for another show. Now, ito na. Si Dragon, ito, nag-spit na naman ng tubig, water. Ala, kawawa yung mga tao near the Dragon, Yun. Naku, hindi lang miss ito. Ba, masusok ka ng dito. Ng tubig, Mapasa ka ng todo dito. May kulang. So, look, ang dami talagang masaya, because of this show. Daming tao, very crowded talaga. The night is wonderful. Masaya lahat kami. Nakikita namin itong mga shows dito sa Danang. It's a must to see, guys. You go to Danang, very beautiful place. Ang daming mga famous attractions dito. You will love it, including the food. Wow! This is another round of ano naman, yung water show. Parang sinasabi nila yung ano pala, yung rounds ng fire and 9 fire burst pala yon. Then 3 bursts of water. So mas marami pala yung show niya sa fire, and the water is 3 times lang siya mag-speed. So anyway, that is a long show. At least ginagastusan ito daming tubig sa yata, dagat galing ito eh. So ito, we stood just beside the dragon, yun at our background. Look at us, we're so happy. Okay, bye for now. Dragon Bridge, what a fantastic night. Okay, good night. See you tomorrow. Well, our day 4 here in Danang Beach. So walking muna around the Danang or Mikey Beach. So we're looking for a famous resto near the beach. So ito na. Ayun, ito makikita na natin ito famous seafood resto. Okay. We're getting inside. So ito na siya. I think this is the best choice. Wow. Look at this. Seafood. So wow. Ito na yung mga pinipili namin. Ito, mga choices. Ay, yummy, yummy. Gutom na. Ay, I know it's a little bit pricey, but it's okay. At least naman. Masarap naman ito. Masarap ang luto. Di baling pricey. Wow. O, pili na. Na. Oh, getting inside now. Laking resto nito Oh, mukhang kami lang ang kakain Anyway, it's already close to 2:02 na Kaya siguro kaninang lunch. Maraming tao dito. But this is so big. So nice, Naku, ito, beautiful aquarium naman. Very colorful naman ng iba-ibang mga fish. May pink, yellow, wow, blue. Well, anyway, ito yung Otzang. I don't know how you pronounce this, pero ito yung name of the seafood resto. Wow, it's so nice. Look at that. We're overlooking the beach. Wow, this is so premium place. Look at that. There, yan. Ito na yung pinili natin. Nice. So, this is it We're we're looking for masarap na menu. Naku, ito na yung mga choices natin yan. Siyempre, pili tayo ng masarap. Ito na kami. Ito na. Nakahanda na yung food. From the soup. Siyempre, lahat yan. Lahat parang iba-iba yung yung pinili. Kanya-kanya. Pero ang sarap lahat. Oh, wow, this is so yummy. If you're a vegetarian, it's nice to go to Danang. Ang daming mga veggie very healthy pa. Ang sarap ng luto. Wow, what a premium place, restaurant to go kasi this is just near the beach. Ay, ito na. After our lunch, ito na kami. Beautiful. another beautiful bright day. We're here at the Mikey Beach. Oh, ang ganda ng place talaga ng Danang. It's a must to go, guys. The food, everything is so yummy. It's not only making you full, but it's really very, very tasty and delicious. So come and join us, family, here at the Mikey Beach again. Come on, Daddy. Hello, guys. RDY at home. Now we're here at the Mikey Beach. Ito yung one of the famous at saka most sought na rito, beach dito sa Danang. It's a beautiful place, guys. It's our 4th day here and look, now it's a sunny, bright day. Oh, nakikita namin yung ito yung mga mountains. Mountains, okay, guys. So, and we eat a lot of food today kasi ang sarap. It's not only na full kami yung full appetite, but the food is really delicious, very authentic, Vietnamese. So come and must see. This is a must see to go. Ito yung natin, must to go yung yung Danang. It's a beautiful. Oh, this is the restaurant that we that we had our lunch. Oh, it's so yummy, good service, and a beautiful place. Ito yung pinaka-precious na talaga. Binibili natin ang place ng restaurant because of its beautiful place. Yeah, it's a little Miami. Yeah, it's like in Florida. Guys, oh, beautiful. Oh, look at the kiddos. Hello, Yani. Ay, you wave your hand. Oh, the video yan. Video, hi. Hello, vlog. Ayun, si Ate Fuji. Ate Fuji, come tayo. Hello. Hello, si Kuya. Kuya, I love you, Kuya. Ayan si baby. Baby, come here. Oh, we're gonna go back here again. Love you. Oh, I see Dex. Oh. Hi. Look, Dad, look at the tallest buildings. Oh. Sipin mo yung lugar na to, napaka-premium. This is one of the best places that we ever stayed here. At the back is our hotel. About 5 minutes walk. And it's worth the stay here. Kaya, so later, we're going home na to Manila, but we'll be arriving mga next day pa. Because super midnight yun. So guys, just enjoy and watch our vlog. Bye for now. Hi! This is a video, I didn't know it. Hi! It's very relaxing day. Ito, super fresco, mahangin. Ang ganda dito. Very bright yung yung sunlight. It's about 4 o'clock lang na hapon. Pero ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. So guys, eto na. We're about to leave na for Manila later. So I hope you had fun watching this video. Just like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Thank you.